Hello there, Old Oak Primary School. Miss Hepworth and Charlie here, saying a big hello to you. We thought today, since it's Saturday and it's going to be the half term, we were thinking we could do a little art activity. But the problem is we didn't know what to do. We've been inside for so long now and we thought, what on earth are we going to make? But today is Elmer the Elephant Day, and lots of you will know the Elmer stories. Elmer is the patchwork elephant. So Charlie and I, we were thinking, weren't we, that we could make some Elmer the Elephant art. So Charlie and I are going to show you what you need and how you can make your very own elephant. Is that you having an elephant trunk, Charlie? Wow, so talented. Should we show the children how to do the Elmer art? Okay, let's show everyone. So these are the things you will need to make your elephant. So the first thing you need is a milk bottle. Now you need to make sure you've drunk all of the milk first and washed it out. The next thing is a pair of scissors, some sharp scissors and a grown-up to help you, and then some paint or some coloured paper, whatever you would like to cover your Elmer in. And the last thing, the most important, is your imagination. So here we have our milk bottle, don't we? Okay, careful, don't knock it over. Yes, we have our milk bottle. We made sure that we drank all of the milk, didn't we, out of the milk bottle. So what we need to do now is we're going to take the lid off here, and then we need to draw a line that we're going to use for cutting, don't we? So let's have a look at drawing a line. So we're going to draw a neat line like this all the way around our milk bottle, aren't we? And it's okay to need a grown-up to help you. I'm helping Charlie to do this because sometimes it's difficult to draw a straight line. So when you've drawn your straight line all the way around your milk bottle, you go on to the next step, and you definitely need a grown-up's help with this step. So let's go on to step 2. So this is the part where we need to use our scissors, and our scissors need to be sharp, and that's why you need a grown-up to help you very carefully with the scissors, because they're quite sharp on the end, aren't they? They are, you see, that's why you need a grown-up to help you. So you need to ask an adult to help you with the cutting. And what you're going to do is cut all the way around the line that you have drawn around the milk bottle. So let's do that now. So once you've had some help from your grown-up to cut all the way around the milk bottle, you will have something like this. Once you've had a grown-up help you cut all the way around your milk bottle, you will have something that looks more like this. So you don't need this part anymore, so you can put that part away. And this is the part that we are going to use that is going to be our elephant. Let's move on to the next step. So now we are moving on to the painting part. So we need to make sure we've got lots of paper down here to make sure that if we do make any mess, we can clean it up really easily. So you need to make sure you've done the same as well. Now we only have a few colours of paint, don't we? And we don't have any paintbrushes, but that's okay. That isn't going to stop us from doing art because we have these. And some of you might have these in your bathroom. So we're going to use these to help with our painting. So please don't think, I can't make that Elmer the Elephant because I don't have lots of paint or I don't have paintbrushes. Just use whatever you have. And if you don't have any paints, you could cut up bits of coloured paper and glue them onto your elephant, or you could cut up magazines and use the different colours from magazine articles, and you could cover your Elmer in that instead. So please don't think, I can't do this art activity because I don't have all of the equipment. You really don't need much apart from your milk bottle, scissors, and something to colour your elephant in with. So, shall we start our painting? Again, we have to be really careful and make sure we don't put our hands in the paint. So let's get started. So what colour shall we use first? We use blue, because that's the old oak colour, isn't it? So I take my elephant. Can you see if you sit there? How about that? Is that better? And I'm going to get some of the blue. I'm going to do a blue bit here. So you can see I've started to put one of my colours onto my elephant. So he's got a nice blue patch there now. He's already, because he's patchwork, starting to look like Elmer. So I'm going to choose the next colour, and I'm going to go for some red. So I'm going to put that next to the blue. I think those two colours look quite nice together. What do you think? So you can see now how it's starting already, just after two colours, to look like Elmer. Then let's try maybe a bit of green. Let's have a look at green. What do you think? Do you think that looks good? So we're starting now to add more colours. And you don't have to do squares. It doesn't have to be patchwork like Elmer. You could do stripes, you could do dots, you could do squiggles and wiggles. It's your artwork, it's your elephant, and you can decorate it however you would like. And probably the ones that Charlie and I find the most interesting and the most unusual will probably be our favourites, because they're the ones we like, where we can see that you've used your imagination to make yours unique to you. So should we carry on doing our painting, and we'll see you in a minute. So you can see here that Charlie and I have painted the elephant all the way around. We've done all of our pattern all around the sides, and then we've done some on the lid as well. Then I have this really nice silver pen, and I'm going to use this to go along the lines between each of the colours to make the pattern look even better, just to make it stand out and to look a little bit neater where I may have made some mistakes with the paint. So I'm going to do that with the silver pen all the way around, and this is really good just to make it look a little bit shiny and a little bit more exciting. You could do the same, you could do it with some glitter. I know lots of you have got glitter glue and love using that. Or you could do it with a different coloured paint to give it a piece of border. Or you could leave the pattern, do some dots, do some squiggles, whatever you would like, whatever is in your imagination. So here is our elephant all finished. You can see we've done the silver pattern all the way around, and we have done some pattern on the lid as well. And then what you have to do to make it look more like an elephant is you have to cut out a little arch type shape to make Elmer's legs. So you do that on one side, then you turn it over and do it on the other side, and then you do it at the back and the front as well to make it look like Elmer's legs. Then of course Elmer needs a pair of eyes, and every elephant has a big set of ears. So I cut out a little bit of paper. I didn't have any googly eyes, but that didn't stop me. And then I cut out some paper for his ears as well. So we hoped you enjoyed watching us do our Elmer the Elephant craft activity, and we are so excited to see the elephants that you are going to make at home. So we're very excited for the new competition, but we haven't yet told you what the prize will be. So the winner of the Elmer the Elephant art competition will win something that will be handmade by me. So the winner of the competition will receive an Elmer the Elephant cushion. So the cushion, it will be like this kind of cushion, but it will actually be more like this one, because this one has got squares on it, but it's not quite patchwork. The cushion you will win will be a patchwork cushion, so it will look just like Elmer. And to make sure that it is so personal to you, because it is your prize, I will put your name on it. So how this cushion has writing on it, I will put your name on the cushion so that everyone will know it's your cushion, it's your Elmer cushion, and then when they ask you where you got it from, you can tell them that you won it because your Elmer the Elephant art was so amazing that you won first prize. So I hope that sounds interesting. Please remember that whoever does win will have to wait a little while for the cushion, because I will have to make it and then I'll have to put their name on for them. So it will take me a little while, but hopefully not too long. So I hope you enjoyed watching our video. I hope you have some fun making some Elmer the elephant craft, and hopefully I will get to see lots of your fantastic ideas, and I will be making a cushion very soon for one of you. Have a great day, have a great half term, and Charlie and I will be back, and we will see you soon. Bye.